when I used to talk about MMA, say about 10 years back, literally nobody understood.
You know, hockey also, like it feels bad, ठीक है कि Olympics में जाके खेलते you do well, people don't know about it only. They don't care.
The day I saw your photograph with Dana White, I jumped. Okay, audience, I like Somesh, and I'm telling my wife, "It's Somesh, and Somesh Dana White के साथ."
Hi, I'm Bhushan Tripathi.
Hi, I'm Nushada Balsara.
Hey, I'm Nemo Chakraborty. And this is the Three Amigos podcast. Hey guys, welcome back to the Three Desi Amigos podcast. This is me, Mimo Chakraborty, alongside my two very best friends and brothers in arms, Bhushan and Nushazar. Hey guys, welcome back to the podcast.
Hello,
Hi,
guys.
good to be back.
Yes.
Well, today is yet another very, very special episode. And the reason is today we have a very, very special guest. And why he is a special guest is because there are many factors. One of them is that I know him since gazillion years. One. Two, he gels with everyone. And three, he's basically a rock star. So he's a very, very dear friend of mine, and of course, a friend of Nushazar and Bhushan as well. So, guys, please welcome Somesh Kamra to the podcast. Hey, Somesh,
Woohoo!
welcome.
Thank you so much for having me on the Three Desi Amigos. But let me
Arre,
tell you that
it's
I hear you guys very regularly and I
okay.
love the content. It is amazing and it's an honor to be on the podcast. Thank you so much for having me, guys.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank
we
you
are
so much. We're
The
so
honor is
glad
ours,
we have you
man. The
here.
honor is ours.
Absolutely,
Of course, man, of course.
absolutely.
And
We're
Three
But
honored
why
to
Desi
you
have
Amigos.
missed out?
pardon?
Yes,
I said Three
you
Desi
missed out one
Amigos
thing.
because there is one Bengali, there is one Bihari, and one Parsi, and now we have one Sindhi. So it's truly the Desi Amigos.
Amazing.
भाई ये तो हम लोगों ने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था यार.
हाँ,
अरे but
multiculturalism है यार.
He's-
but I am not Bihari.
And what are you then?
I am from UP.
तो
Oh,
यूपी का
sorry,
मतलब
sorry.
what?
Same ही हुआ ना?
UP
Oh,
का
sorry.
भैया ऐसा बोल.
यूपी का
हाँ तो
भैया,
यूपी का
भैया,
भैया.
यूपी का भैया.
बेसिकली तो कॉन्सेप्ट है कि हम
Eh.
चारों दूसरे पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया से मिलकर एक देसी अमीगोस बन गए.
Absolutely.
एक फ्लेवर
absolutely.
बन गया.
Yep.
स्वाद, एक स्वाद.
Beautiful.
But why you missed one very important thing about Somesh Kamra?
What is that?
That is that he is an amazing human being.
अरे thank you so
अभी-
much. Thank you so
अभी
much.
देख
मतलब
अभी तू मुझे रुला देगा भूषण.
सच
इतना
में
अच्छी
मतलब you
बात
know
करके,
after my
सच्ची.
mother he's the only guy who said it after 40 years.
He is an
Don't I
amazing
compliment you
human
all the
being.
time? Don't I like? What is this? Yeah,
Oh,
you
you know
didn't show
what
up to
then?
my birthday.
You know, there's
हाँ.
some insecurity coming now.
Oh.
Like no,
Okay.
no. But you know
नहीं,
what? Mimo always compliments me. In fact, all three of y'all do. So it's an absolute pleasure, but a bigger honor for me to be on the Desi Amigos podcast. Thank you so much for having me, guys.
Thank you. No, but listeners and viewers, I do want to say this that it's not because Somesh is my friend. It's because see, very few people in like what I have noticed being from the entertainment industry, very few people are very much liked by everyone in a group, you know. And Somesh is that one guy, and I am saying this very, very proudly that he is my friend and brother. It's like whenever he comes to the parties, now he becomes the life of the party. Like he will do the conversations and Mr. Tripathi will do the dances.
Correct.
तो इन दोनों का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है ना इट्स लाइक अ डेडली कॉम्बो लीथल वेपन डैनी
Absolutely.
ग्लोवर एंड मेल गिब्सन सो या
It's a brilliant comparison.
true and Somesh, before we start in the podcast, there's this very small game. It's not even a game, it's more like now it's become like a detailed asking of sort, because Nushazar, I want to tell you something about Nushazar. You've seen the shirt he's wearing, right? It's a gray shirt, gray
Correct. Which
t-shirt.
he always wears.
Yeah, so
Huh.
he is stuck to this. So he has
Correct.
taken a vow that he'll only wear this.
Correct.
So I don't even ask him out of respect, you know. So I'm asking Bhushan. I only ask Bhushan because he's got this very great t-shirt collection.
Yeah.
So this is the t-shirt game. So Bhushan, please tell us, what are you wearing today?
So I'm wearing my Break the Rules
Oh,
t-shirt.
lovely.
And
Wow.
and I think we before we got the podcast going, you would know what mood I'm in.
Yes, clearly. You're breaking all the norms of, ripping another a-hole in my butt. Yeah, but okay.
I
get
think we
that.
weren't supposed to
Oh.
use words like
Exactly.
I didn't
exactly,
say
right,
that.
right.
I'm not using anything. It is all, innuendos. So yeah. Double brackets.
No, but I love the
Innuendo.
t-shirt, Bhushan. I love the t-shirt. Break the rules.
Thank
So-
you.
So
In fact, हाँ, बोलो, so much,
In
please.
fact, let me tell you guys that when I first started in the sport of MMA, Mimo was the only guy, So, see, in today's time, if you see, Varun Dhawan is jumping on the bandwagon. We've got Pratik Babbar. We've got, the Sohail Khans who are jumping on the UFC bandwagon. But let me tell you, the OG from the entertainment industry who actually supported the sport, who actually practiced the sport was Mimo Chakrabarti. And I'll say
Thank
for
you.
the first time on this podcast, but he was the first guy, along with his dad, who also
Yes.
supports the sport.
Thank you.
So they were the OGs in the sport.
Thank you. And speaking of, break the rules, I think it's the perfect motto for even this episode because, as Somesh said about mixed martial arts is always about, breaking the rules and creating new norms.
Absolutely.
So Somesh, please give the audience a little brief about what is your role in mixed martial arts in India. Please tell them that.
Very interesting question, even though I've said it like some 10 million times over the last 10 years. But
Yeah.
my job is with the UFC to actually nurture and groom Indian talent so we can take them on the international stage and, kind of get them glory, make them perform, also try and make it into a career. However,
Correct.
in this bargain, what happened, because we realized that the level of sport in India is not yet there, we said, let us try something different, so we send them to the Performance Institute. I have my own firm called Superhuman Gym where we train them. We send them to international tournaments. We groom them eventually with the intention to take them to the highest level of the sport, which is the UFC.
Wow. Okay. That's amazing.
Yeah.
So
And
he's
we
a
did,
very humble human being, actually.
Yes.
He is the man who has put UFC and mixed martial arts from India on a global map. But
absolutely.
Exactly.
Yes.
being the humble man he is, he's not going to put it in as many words.
True.
Yeah,
And
I
one more
mean,
thing I want to
you
one more thing I
can't
want
blow
to
your
point
own
out.
trumpet here.
So let
I
me blow it
know.
for you.
But one more thing I want to point out is that you can catch Somesh always on the all UFC live events on Sony. So he's
Absolutely.
always there in the pre and the post show. So
Yeah.
always good to see Somesh. I mean, trust me, guys, मैं ये क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? जैसे how Somesh said कि mixed martial arts. I'll give you a short story. So this was like what I think 10 years ago जब हम लोग ने मलाड में शुरू किया था.
नहीं,
So
ज्यादा होगा.
me and Somesh,
It was
हाँ
2011.
हाँ मतलब वही 13
13
years तो हो
years
गया
ago.
ना उसका. हाँ तो Somesh always had a boxing background and everything, and I knew him, because our childhood friend Malika, I met him at Malika's party, so that's how we know each other.
Correct.
So then I just messaged Somesh. He said, bro, I'm in this Malad gym. Come and have a look at the gym, like
Yeah.
with the boxing. So I asked him, is it boxing? He said, no. You just come and try. So I never knew what mixed martial arts was.
Correct.
I go there. It's a 7 p.m. class. Me, Somesh, and one trainer is there. Okay. I do the class 7 to 8 and my life changes. I'm like, Somesh, तूने मुझे क्या दिखा दिया? What
Correct.
is this? My mind was blown. Okay, yaar, this is what mixed martial arts is. And since then, it's been
Absolutely.
no going back.
Absolutely.
हम लोग
Yes.
तो हम लोग इतने dedicated है. We even went to Thailand to do MMA training.
No. See, you know what? The nice term is dedicated. The actual term is crazy.
Yes.
Exactly. They were
Exactly.
crazy enough to actually go there and say, you know what? Now let's go to Thailand and do something cool.
सोचो कर दिया हम लोग ने. We even did that.
Yeah.
So yeah. And yes, it's a very beautiful thing what Somesh is doing, and I'm not saying this because it's him. क्या होता है कि देखो, we are a country of more than 1 billion population, right?
1.4
so
now.
much-
Almost
1.4,
1.5. Yeah.
नहीं 1.4 तक ही बोलो अभी. हाँ, सोच के भी डर लगता है. तो I'm saying that in a country with so much of population, there must be so much of talent out there which is untouched.
Correct.
And what does everybody need? They need opportunity. And if a person like Somesh is going out of his way and doing this, even trying to do it, it's a very big thing. So thank you, buddy. Thank you for that.
No, the pleasure is all mine. And in fact, I was so happy because as Mimo rightly said, that even though my background is from boxing, when I used to talk about MMA, say about 10 years back, literally nobody understood it. And I used to
Correct.
portray my service as a boxing gym because nobody understood it. Then when they came to the facility is when you have to educate them and tell them what you're doing and all of that. But look at the charisma today. That today, if you say MMA,
That's what.
almost everybody from the sporting line at least knows ki wo kya hai. You know, maybe they've
Exactly.
seen it or
Right.
they've not seen it. That is irrespective. At least they know ki ha, something like this exists. And that
Right.
for me is a big win in itself.
Correct, correct. Now see, अभी now taking your example, okay, it's taken you 10 years to come this far.
Yeah.
वैसे ही हमारा podcast is going to be touching 6 months. It's an infant baby
Wow.
like UFC. Yeah. So with your, with your charm and charisma, even we will one day become like the 3 Desi global amigos.
Absolutely. Absolutely. In
It's
fact,
global.
you know,
I like that.
you can see that how, Joe Rogan was at it for almost 10, 11 years before Spotify actually bought him.
Exactly.
So,
Exactly.
and if Joe Rogan took 10 years, I think you guys will not even take 2.5 years max to actually get.
Thank you. Thank you. अभी देख
Thank
बॉयज
you.
देखो अभी इतनी तारीफ कर रहे हैं मेरी मैं एक्सेप्ट कर ही लेता हूँ मैं एक्सेप्ट कर ही लेता हूँ क्या करूँ अभी now you know what
Nemo's
happens
always fishing. Nemo's always fishing for compliments. And
No, he has
Correct,
such a
thank
big heart. Now he has such a big heart that everything that comes, he keeps it to himself.
who me ना
Yeah.
Yeah.
He has such a big heart now.
नहीं क्या होता है now see Somesh what happens is you're a guest but you're also a friend क्या
Correct.
होता है कि see it's like I've taken them under my wing
Correct.
इधर भूषण है इधर नुशाजर है
Correct.
you know what I'm saying
but
And
baas
they
aa raha
are-
hai bahut.
what are you saying
हाँ, and मैं बीच में हूँ.
हाँ भाई तू तेरे पर ही बैठे हम लोग ठीक है ना खुश रह तू ये भी कुछ कम नहीं है यार क्या मतलब इसको बुलाया था कि मेरी तारीफ करे तुम लोग के पीछे ये होता है whenever I bring a guest on the show nobody is on my side for some
No,
reason.
Yeah, that
No,
day
no.
with Maddie
No,
and
we all are
Namoshi
on
it
your
happened,
side.
no?
We all are on your side.
Yes.
Yeah, we all on your side. Yeah, पता है.
नहीं,
ऐसे मुझे
always,
बोलना ना,
always
you-
your
पता
side.
है. You know, but चलो, let's ask our special guest today.
Mm-hmm.
So, given because see, you have met all three of us, correct?
Correct.
So, who do you think is going to dominate in the ring in what category? Like, just say कि हम लोग तीनों MMA players हैं.
हाँ.
According to your thesis and your knowledge of us, in what category we would prevail in the ring? आपके हिसाब से.
Sure. So should I say what each of y'all can do?
Yeah,
Hmm.
individually. Like, what do you think our characteristics are and what we can bring to the table if we were MMA, sportsmen?
I think Bhushan is going to be the most underrated guy because many people may look at him and say, you know what, this guy's not strong enough. But I've actually seen him lift weights, and man, this dude can lift some weight. So I think Bhushan is going to be the biggest underdog, almost like a Cain Velasquez. But nobody
Oh,
believed
wow.
in him. Because
correct.
his body is little. He's not got a six pack. He's a little flabby, but he used to kick ass.
Velasquez though, king.
yeah.
Absolute king.
Yeah. I think I think Mimo's grappling was very strong because of the sheer strength that he has. I think Mimo has been strength training for a very long time, 15
Correct.
plus
Yeah.
years. So the natural strength that he has was extremely good. I think Mr. Balsara is going to be very snappy, almost like a Izzat Adesanya, where
Oh,
where
wow.
he's lean, but he's going to be snappy. So we've got one striker, one
Really?
underrated guy, and one strong grappler. And that's why you guys are so perfect together.
Thank you. Oh, देखो ना, look at that. Coming from him,
He
Nushazar.
puts
that
it so well,
meme-
bhai. He puts it
Oh,
so well,
seriously.
yeah.
Seriously.
He does, and he does breakdowns of matches, yaar.
Yeah.
किससे तू बात कर रहा है? It's like,
Exactly.
how do I keep saying like I am the biggest shark in the pool? He's like the biggest whale in the pool. समझ गए? I'm
Oh,
saying
you
this
make-
as a compliment.
You're calling him a whale?
Exactly.
No,
You called
no,
yourself
no,
a
in
shark and him a whale.
अरे भाई whale बड़ी है ना और like it's like the king of mammals, no?
No,
Whose-
in my
whose angle से
in my in my small fish pond, I'm the whale.
नहीं. In
If-
compared to us, भाई, you're
I mean,
you're
if
the blue
you're
whale.
a great white, he's a megalodon, basically.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Ah,
That's
The
Yes,
last
yes,
remaining
yes,
megalodon, bhai.
Yes,
That's
yes.
a fair comparison.
Abhi
Yeah,
sorry,
he's
but
in Mech
मुझे
3. Mech 3 में.
लेकिन
जेसन
Mach
स्टेटम
3
को
क्या
बोल
है?
के बोल देंगे कामरा को लेने को Mech 3 में.
but Mach 3 क्या होता है?
अरे Mech 3 नहीं, Meg आई थी ना पिक्चर Meg,
So,
Megalodon.
Megalodon, the
Acha.
Meg
biggest
3.
shark
हाँ.
ever,
It's okay,
that
no one watched
existed.
it, so it's fine.
Yeah, मुझे ऐसी कोई idea नहीं है यार. I mean,
नहीं, ठीक है, ठीक है.
shout out to Megalodon, but sorry, I've not seen you guys.
Yeah, Statham is never going to come on our podcast ever. He's blacklisted us. Thank you. यही
Never
करो
say
तुम
never.
लोग. हाँ, यही करो.
नहीं आएगा
Crazy.
आएगा.
Arey, but like, Aake, what he's going to do?
He's going to say, hey mate, nice meeting you. ऐसे कुछ
This is his
करेगा.
expression throughout the movies. Yeah.
हाँ, it's like, gotta punch you in the face, mate.
He's
ऐसा
always
कुछ
done
करेगा.
with life.
And he's gonna talk to like Vin Diesel and saying, "I'm family." You know how I know, Somesh. I am the Vin Diesel of this podcast. I am
Correct.
the guy. You know, it's all about family. You know, I do that.
Correct.
I
No, but which I completely agree.
I merge. You know, मैं बना लेता हूँ सबको ऐसे.
Yeah.
ऐसा. So yeah, coming back. Besides the irrelevant conversations in the podcast.
Irrelevant.
He does this in everyone at least once.
इसको मुझे
Like,
correct करना ही है.
Bhushan and I, ऐसा our synapses, start going off. Like mistake.
Yeah.
Correct.
See, Parsi, they are very particular.
Yes.
Very
मुझे पता
particular.
है भाई. मैं 21 एपिसोड से यही झेल रहा हूँ दोस्त. मुझे पता है. You know, I have become much more of a saint.
Correct.
Spending
Correct.
time with them. You know,
Correct.
इतना कि एक आदमी forgive करेगा. Forgive कर ही लो. I've accepted कि मैं इनको हर बार forgive करूँ.
Correct.
You
You
know,
just
So
have to
basically,
surrender.
you are accepting that we're making you better, right?
Yes.
No,
जो
Shazad.
whatever makes you sleep good at night, वही सच.
This is good for us. I'm
Yeah,
done.
good enough.
Thank you. My God, so much of love, no, for me. Yeah. So yes, we are trying to promote MMA, bhai log. Suno, हाँ. So yes.
Yeah, that was the point. Na. See, when you told me कि Somesh is going to come
Mhm.
as a guest, I told you कि the first thing we need to mention is what he does with young talent for MMA.
Of course.
I don't watch the sport. I don't watch any combat sports. I used to watch WWE, that's it. But abhi
Yeah.
देखता नहीं.
Okay.
But I am more about, trying to get sports in India to be as big as it is, other than cricket.
Correct.
yes.
ठीक है? Like
Yes.
football and other sports, even like hockey is like our national game. ठीक है? Even that is not as big, bhai.
Correct.
Cricket is the dominator. Yeah.
But like hockey also, like it feels bad, ठीक है? कि Olympics में जाके खेलते you do well, people don't know about it only. They don't care.
Makes sense.
Yeah, but
Even with
over time, we have seen that the trend for other sports have picked up. At least the sporting channels are now open to getting sponsorships and putting celebrities up there, so that at least the sport is recognized. Right from Kabaddi, we played Kabaddi for million years, So Kabaddi was never considered a sport unless it
Correct.
actually came on a Disney
हाँ,
Plus Hotstar.
बीच में अभी सब
I mean-
लीग आने लगा ना उसका.
I'll-
नहीं, अच्छा. It's
I'd like
good
to
way
tell you a very
promote the
interesting
sport.
thing. Because I run the UFC show and we're seeing the numbers. I mean, surprisingly, the numbers for the UFC show on Sony are pretty high, even though
Wow.
it comes on a Sunday morning at 6:30 or 7:30 a.m. There are dedicated fans waking up and watching the sport. And another very interesting thing that I would say that the co-founder in my company is the guy who was one of the 4 guys who developed Pro Kabaddi League. So,
Oh, wow.
yeah, so
Oh.
he explained the entire history to us that, how this thing started, how initially there were no takers, and today it's the second most viewed league in India after IPL.
That's
Amazing.
amazing.
Awesome.
That's
It's
what that's
amazing.
That's very good.
Skyrocket numbers. So even, till date, like through Sony, when we go and speak to any sponsor, they all say, kuch bhi lao, but cricket mat lao. Even the sponsorships, they are,
Correct.
the entire spectrum is changing because there's so much cricket happening. Say about 25 years back, we had maybe 120, 130 days of cricket in a year.
Yeah.
Today, it is almost 270.
My God.
It's saturated.
Whoa.
It's
Imagine.
completely saturated.
In a 365-day calendar, 270 days there is cricket happening.
That's crazy. That's
and-
crazy.
There's just so much of an overkill that most of the sponsors are now saying that kuch bhi lao, but cricket mat lao, because we are exploring other sports. And I think that's a very positive change, at least
That's
in our
true.
country.
There's also more
Right.
opportunity for growth in the other sports. Na cricket, like I was saying, is
100%.
completely saturated.
Complete
yaar. So
saturated. Yes.
it's
नहीं
completely
वही हो
saturated.
गया ना कि वो मार्वल के बबल की तरह हो गया. Like how much content will you keep
Yeah,
throwing
yeah.
at us?
It's too
Yeah.
big now.
You know.
अभी और कितना? It's too big.
आप देखो, see, that's the thing, right? They become greedy. इतना पैसा है, million, thousands, 20,000 crores, IPL, so and so, वगैरह वगैरह. ठीक है, I get it. Money is there. But as I said, it's such a great country with so much of bursting talent. आप opportunity दो उनको. People will see them. People will acknowledge them.
Absolutely.
You know what I mean?
But
So
at
speak.
at
हाँ,
least in
बोलो
the
बोलो
sport,
Somesh, please.
at least in the sporting circuit, what I have seen is that if you notice कि whoever sponsors the Indian team now, something
Hmm.
was wrong with that company. Like, like there was Sahara first that went bankrupt. Then came Oppo. Oppo को निकाल दिया इंडिया से. Then came
फिर
Byju's.
बाइजू
Byju's को
बाइजू
निकाल दिया. तो मैंने
माय
देखा है
गॉड
ना
या
कि
या
इंडियन टीम का जो स्पॉन्सर करता है ना, that team is going, like that company is going to go bankrupt.
सही है सही
What is it currently?
which
No,
one
but
is it now
I have no idea. I don't know.
अच्छा,
I
नहीं,
think
मैं-
last I'd
पड़ेगा.
seen was Byju's only.
बाइजू से ना I
हाँ,
don't know
अभी
now which is it
he's saying it's gone now, so then I assume कि
Yeah.
maybe
changed.
maybe it's Geo now I think maybe it's
Geo?
Geo
Because I know
I
that
don't know.
Time to sell shares.
or is it Tata?
पता नहीं भाई
देख
पता नहीं
देखते
I don't
हैं.
know.
Tata was
I'll
for
Google it
IPL. Yeah,
straight.
that was Tata IPL.
Tata
So,
IPL, हाँ, because Oppo was removed, na, तो
yeah, I think
Correct,
first
correct.
it was Oppo, then it was Vivo, and then it was Tata. Yeah.
oh Vivo,
was
Vivo,
Vivo
sorry,
IPL. Yeah,
Vivo, correct. And after
Correct,
that, yeah,
correct.
but I don't know who's the current sponsor, but देख लो अगर कुछ
Dream
shares
11.
Dream 11
Okay.
चलो, like no problem, मतलब वो भी खत्म हो
चलो.
जाएगा.
Dream
But Somesh, while we are at a spot, I so I've always been inspired, learning about you, seeing your stories, following you on social media. There have been so many instances where I felt that, wow, Arey, yeah, Somesh is doing this. I've given you a shout out, bye, Arey, this is amazing, man. But the thing is that in this entire journey of these 10 and 11 years to actually get to where you are, there would have been high points and low points. Would you like to share with us as to what was the high point that said that, boss, this just took my breath away? And what was the low point that, it can't get worse than this?
exactly
That's a very good question क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से as of today there have been, like any other person, see, it's a very cliche dialogue, but there are 8 lows and 2 highs in every 10,
Right.
very true very true
so I genuinely feel that my journey has just begun right now, even though Mimo has seen me in minus 10 years. So the 10 years was literally just preparation time. And mind you, there's been absolutely no external funding. Jo bhi ho raha hai right now is bootstrap. We are kind of running it by ourselves, like, and pretty much, with all your support, with all your, blessings, it's been happening. So I genuinely feel that the highest high has not yet come and the lowest low has not yet come. But if you ask me, what really puts a feather in my cap is, I think in 2017, when nobody believed that an Indian could even go in the UFC.
correct
That is when
Yeah.
we plugged in Bharat Kandare. Of course, see, it's a combat event. Wins and losses keep happening. We cannot, say कि अरे वो जाएगा तो वो जीतना ही है. But I think when Bharat Kandare entered the UFC, all the Indian MMA fans bolo, fighters bolo, managers bolo, coaches bolo, gyms bolo, they genuinely believe that we can get there. And I
it
think
is possible
it is
yes.
possible. And that started
Correct.
the momentum where people started saying, you know what, if he can go there, then my boy can go there. Then some fighter will say, oh, if Bharat can go there, then I can go there. And that
Right.
started this entire wave of people saying, you know what, let's aim for the stars, So
Makes sense.
I genuinely
but
believe that was a high
just
point.
imagine Somesh, like Bhushan, just imagine this, जो अभी सोमेश ने बोला, he basically is the reason the gates opened for
He put-
India
Yeah.
to compete in the global stage. Imagine that.
Absolutely.
Like, how big is that? Guys, viewers, listeners, if you're listening to this, watching this, just imagine the gravity of that sentence that Somesh Kamra did this. He opened the doors for possibilities for Indians to go fight in the UFC. UFC is the mecca for MMA. So that
Absolutely.
is such a great thing. That's true.
Completely.
Like that is, I have heard the story, but to hear it again, it just feels so
Yeah.
good. यार कि ऐसे लोग भी है दुनिया में who really
Yeah,
want to
and-
genuinely promote talent.
This
Absolutely.
is exactly what
And-
I want from sports in India. This
You
is
know-
exactly what needs to happen.
And
Exactly.
what happened is that in this entire journey, like from 2017, when we realized, we went there, we lost the fight. But we learned so much by saying, what, the level of competition is actually, I would say at that point of time, it was not as high, but the real butterflies in the stomach came, when you're in that walkway and there are 20,000 fans, and then
And the
the lights,
Indian flag.
the lights go dim and you're walking in the Mercedes-Benz arena in Shanghai and that Indian flag comes and people are booing you because you're facing a superstar from China.
Correct.
Of
Of
they're
course.
booing you, they're throwing Pepsi on you, they're throwing the napkins on you. I think it is the nerves that got Bharat. It's not the talent. I still feel he's more talented than Songedong. But it's the nerves that you get walking into that arena, and in your mind, you're like, you know what? The first Indian to ever step foot into the octagon to compete is
True.
a very big thing,
Right.
and that nerves got him a little bit. And I feel that is why we lost the fight. But you look at the transition from there till today. We've got Anshul Jubli, who one road to UFC, then went to the UFC. I plugged in Pooja Tomar straight into the UFC, the first Indian female, the first
Wow.
Indian to ever win in the UFC.
Crazy.
But between 2017 and 2024, we tried many number of times to say, which Indian can go. And the UFC was, the level of competition is too high, this, that. Then we formulated something called the Road to UFC. And we said,
Correct.
what? Why not have a grade? It's like a Ranji Trophy to the Indian team. Then we
Mhm.
developed the Ranji Trophy, which is the Road to UFC. We got people from, Indonesia, Philippines, Japan, India, Singapore, Korea. And we said, let us, have a competition between these guys and the winner goes to the UFC. Even
Makes
if that
sense.
an Indian one,
Wow.
Wow.
Anshul Jubli won that.
Lovely.
So,
Incredible.
it's been beautiful because luckily, at least with the UFC, what happens, just because the Indian guy didn't win, they don't shut the doors. They say, oh, you know what else do you have in mind? What can we do?
Exactly.
How can we
Exactly.
develop the market? And that's been very encouraging, and honestly, that is what keeps me going, and that's what wakes me up in the morning and forces me to go to work because I love it.
That's what. Very nice. But
Indeed.
Somesh, if you want, I'm retired from professional fighting. But if you want, I can always do the Rocky Balboa for you. Always.
Yeah, like currently we
Mm.
all are Rocky Malpua.
Malpoa, pura.
He's
Retired.
Rocky
hurt,
Malpoa for
aged.
sure.
Arthritis अभी आने लगा है,
No.
बाल वाल-
No, I'm still
Oh
not
my,
out of
okay,
oh
हाँ.
my God.
Still not out
ये
of action.
इसको मौका चाहिए था अपने गन्स दिखाने को पूरे गन्स दिखाने हाँ.
Should have worn a nice tank top, yeah.
Yeah, no, it's okay. Let it be. हाँ. वो now अभी वो ratings अभी high हो जाएगी हमारी YouTube.
Yeah.
You know, my God, those guns. Who
Oh
is
man,
that
there's
guy?
Oh man, there's too much of skin show.
Yeah. Full on. Next episode में हम सब लोग
Joke.
bare body है सब लोग ऐसे.
Correct,
बैठे.
correct.
Welcome
I
to the
genuinely
three.
don't mind.
I know. Welcome to the three.
He's the
Desi
first one to
Amigos.
take off. Yes.
हाँ?
Huh?
Bare body podcast. वो हो जाएगा हम लोग का नाम.
अच्छा मतलब bare knuckle fighting के बाद bare body.
Bare body. They're introducing
हाँ.
something new. New podcast ना सब ऐसे ही बैठे हैं, बिना गंजी के, बिना कपड़े के, बिना
So
upper
instead
vest,
of
कुछ नहीं.
Desi Amigos, it will become three Desi boys.
हाँ, three देसी boy. Kamra, I never knew Tripathi के ख्यालात ऐसे हैं. Just please
Arey,
forgive him.
Please forgive me. sometimes external forces gets out some other person in this boy.
You are the catalyst. You are.
Correct.
All is well.
100%.
All is well.
मुझे पता है. Okay. If you don't believe me, now ask Nushazar. Nushazar, has he behaved this way in the previous episodes? Please tell me.
नहीं. Like I said, it's more like, it's a 50-50 between him and I. Nimo ki lene mein matlab.
Thank you for that info.
But
हाँ.
Bang on, Nushazar.
like today,
Thank
he's taken the case. I have not had to do anything. तुम
कुछ
दोनों
भी
ने
नहीं.
एकदम
पूरे मूड
correct.
में आज मतलब कामरा आ रहा है आज full guns blazing, full
See,
guns blazing.
Bye,
See,
bye,
basically,
bye.
he's the John Abraham, and and I'm the Akshay Kumar, and we are the Desi boys. So he's a Rocco.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I'm the other guy, like
You are
whatever
the
his name
Hunter.
is.
Hunter.
I'm going to tag John Abraham and Akshay Kumar in the Instagram post. पता चला like आ गया उनसे. तो
Make some noise for the Desi
It'll be nice. It'll be nice. Right?
Yeah.
Crazy. But Nushazar, I don't think we need to bring in special guests now. मैं समझ गया हूँ कि क्या है.
Okay.
हाँ.
But
ये-
I this is not about you. This is about Somesh, okay?
Of
Yes.
course.
So Somesh,
Sorry.
Somesh,
I get
what you
carried away
answered-
because I'm so
Because the
involved.
rest of the episodes are about you. Yes.
Yeah,
but
we
today's
love you.
about
We love you too. Yeah.
I'm so involved in the podcast, coming. No, but anyways.
So- So
नहीं, बोलो.
Somesh,
हाँ.
this was the part of the question. So this was one of the highs when one of our Desi men, the Desi sport ace, Bharat Khandare stepped in the ring, the octagon for the first time.
Yeah.
That was like your one big high point. Was it ever that one low point? You said that the lowest of the lows and the highest of the highs is not here yet. So was there ever a low point that you felt that, yeah, it's just not happening. I want this to happen. And then you picked yourself up and like, isse buddha nahi hoga. Let's get
Like a
going.
Rocky Balboa moment, basically.
So, Bhushan, that's a very good question. And actually, not too many people have asked me the lows because most people talk about the highs. But literally, see, and again, I reel back to, Mimo knowing me for the past, 3050 years. That,
Exactly. But we don't look that older. We don't look that older.
Correct.
Yeah.
Whatever else you
You know,
sleep.
I see, I've never come from a privileged background, to be honest. We never had, things to post about and all that. So literally my mindset is that, no matter how low it gets, it really doesn't stick in my mind because I know that there can be lower moments, but you have to rise from there. So I genuinely don't remember the lows because for me, it's yet another day, like yet another day in the office. So
Correct.
मुझे पता नहीं, but yeah, there are instances which kind of disappoint me. Like for example, when we launched the Ultimate Guide to UFC on Sony, and literally for the first 1 year of us doing the show, the Twitter comments were through the roof. Like for example, "Arey, these people don't know anything. Arey, inke ghar
Oh,
jala do.
Trolling.
Arey, somebody
right.
find them, somebody kill them, koi inko jaake
Baap re.
maro, this, that,
Okay.
all of that." And in my mind, I'm like, it's just a TV show. Yeah. It's not.
Correct.
It's not that. It's not that India has lost the World Cup or something on those lines. But believe it or not, it's taken 4 years. But today, there are all positive comments. All positive comments. That this is going well. Arey, very good analysis. Arey, sir, bahut maza aaya. So I just feel that sometimes we are not very open on change. And there could also be people that want your place and your seat. So trolling ka literally don't worry about it. All of you guys may be experiencing it in your times. Where even this podcast may be
Absolutely.
trolled.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Mimo to maybe trolled the most, but honestly, it is because of the family, the background. Because so many people want your place.
Correct.
It's nothing to do with your work. People just want that seat.
Correct.
And I genuinely believe that if you're worth it, agar tum mein kabiliyat hai, you will get that seat. Otherwise, you'll not get it. As simple as that. But
Sahi.
I don't think people understand it. But it's okay. It's
To
life.
each their own. Yeah. To each their own.
Yeah.
As
So I'm-
as Rocky said,
Absolutely.
it ain't over until it's over.
Absolutely yes. Absolutely yes. So I genuinely feel that there's been no low moment because for me, any of these low moments are learning moments.
So, Amish, again, of course, this is my question to you. I think from all three of us, according to you, in the place that you are today, what is the graph of mixed martial arts in India? And let's say people see this podcast, and they get motivated to start learning mixed martial arts and even enter and take it as a sport. Give them a quick guideline as to what they need to do. That'll be very helpful.
So, if anybody that's listening to this podcast literally wants to explore MMA as a sport or as a fitness regime, I would say please first find a good gym next to you guys with a good coach. And you can always DM me or DM the Desi Amigos. I would be happy to help you guys in whichever city you are. And if I know somebody there, I can put you guys in touch with a good gym and a good coach and at least start from there. Because I'll tell you what happens. There are many people who come to our gym and say, what, I want to be the next Conor McGregor. But the moment they get punched in the face for the first time, they realize that, what, I'm not made for this. 99% of the people, I say, what, oh man, this really is something else. It's not, because, see, kya hota hai na, people look at McGregor's Rolls Royce, they look at Ronda Rousey's lifestyle, they look at all these rich people with their 75 crore ki ghadi pehni hai and this and that. But they don't realize how these guys actually got there. It's a brutal sport. At the end of the day, careers change, legs break, all these things happen. And if you don't enjoy that pain, or if you cannot get out of that pain and come back stronger, then this sport is not for you. So I would say
Correct.
find a good gym, find a good coach. And I'm specifically saying find a good coach because MMA today is well known. So everybody has become a MMA coach. Huh? Everybody. Like आप Jalandhar में जाओ, नागपुर में जाओ, या कहीं पे भी जाओ. In any gym, you'll be that one guy who'll be like, "अरे मैं तो MMA coach हूँ." But that should not damage you or break you in any manner before you actually get started. So find a good gym, find a good coach, and at least start taking amateur fights. Sparring
Correct.
karo, amateur fights lo, and then see if this is made for you. Luckily, today the sport is in a position where you can test the waters before backing up.
Correct.
Till
Correct,
about
correct.
15 years back, you had to straight go pro. नहीं. There's no option
समझ
in the
गया.
middle. कुछ था ही नहीं. There was no rehearsal. The first time you get in front of the camera is on the set of the movie. There's literally no preparation time. So, but
Makes
the sport
sense.
has evolved. So now you can go for amateur fights. You can spar with other fellow beings that are practicing the sport. See if the sport is meant for you. And as I said, the graph of the sport, I feel, is only going to go higher and higher. At least for the next 5 to 6 years, there's enough room for everybody to enter, take part, and excel. Because
Superb.
once a sport becomes like a pro kabaddi league or it becomes close to a cricket, then it's going to be very organized, and the government people will come in. They'll want to control it, because then the monies get bigger. So that is something which people need to look at. But if you ask me, I think any fighting sport always has an audience.
Always. That is there. It's a very brutal sport, very, testosterone-filled sport. And, as you
Absolutely.
said, yeah, for boys and for girls. It's not just for the boys
Absolutely.
now. Like
Absolutely.
I just mentioned, we had an Indian fighter, female, who went to UFC and she won. We have
Yes,
so
Pooja
many
Tomar.
great female
Mm.
fighters. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So it's open for male and female. So that's a great thing.
Absolutely, yes. In fact, in my so my education was in film and marketing. So
Okay.
we had done a case study on why Kyuki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi became so big.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And that case study is so embedded in my mind. क्योंकि मुझे पता चला that Ekta Kapoor played on the psychographic of the bahus of that time. When the bahus, the Indian bahu, could not revolt or rebel against a mother-in-law, and Kyuki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi was exactly that. It was Smriti Irani revolting against a mother-in-law. There was
Exactly.
internal sukoon. There was happiness that, I cannot do it, but I can see her do it, so I'm getting that satisfaction. Fighting is very similar. Fighting is very
Very
similar,
true. Yeah.
where I can't fight, but when I'm seeing somebody fight, ना वो मेरी भड़ास automatically निकलती है. So
Same.
that is
Correct.
why I feel fighting is going to be a very, very big sport. And see, at the end of the day, fighting, aggression, anger, these are all natural emotions which, sadly, parents of today try and suppress. When there's an extra hyper kid and the father or the mother say, "Arey, you know what, तुम इतना खेलो कूदो मत, बैठ जाओ, शांत रहो." That's a wrong thing to do because you're suppressing that emotion. Maybe
Correct,
after a few years when that kid grows up, he becomes a serial killer or something because he's been suppressed or she's been suppressed for so long.
नहीं,
you know.
सही है.
So
Very true.
fighting is an emotion. It is in our DNA. It needs to be explored. And I think that it's going to be definitely in the top 3 sports in India in the next 10 years.
Lovely. Great.
So
Bhushan, you were
Mesh,
saying something?
yeah, I had one more question. Now the idea is that you've come up with this amazing superhuman gym. Why don't you tell us and the audience some bit about it? We'd want to know more because see, the thing is that you've said that you've got to find the right gym that supports the sport enough, and you have the right people around that support the sport. Somebody's looking out for it. So why don't you share some bit with us on superhuman?
Very, very, very good question because when I so I'll tell you that my training was my MMA training, I would say, goes back way 2008 when I had gone to Russia to learn the sport. And तभी मैंने वहाँ के gyms देखे थे that how they're designed, what people do. I had gone to a gym called M1 Global, which was in St. Petersburg. So M1 Global run this gym called Red Devils Fight Club, which is in St. Petersburg. M1 Global also organize fights. with M1 Global,
Oh.
after learning the sport, I also went to America to organize something called M1 Challenge. It's almost like a road to UFC where you have a tournament, you pick fighters, and then you sign them to M1 Global.
Okay.
So when I saw the
Okay.
infrastructure in between 2008 2010, I quickly realized कि boss, this gym market na is going to fail because the investment is very high. And in America, that trend had already come where, the UFC gyms and LA boxings have overtaken Gold's Gym, Anytime Fitness and all of that. तो मुझे 2010 में ही पता चला कि ये ट्रेंड इंडिया में आने वाला है because infrastructure cost, equipment cost is very high. And
Correct.
the trend of lifting weights may take a backseat and sports will, kind of precede it.
Take over.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So I got to know from that time कि ये होने वाला है. So I've designed Superhuman Gym, which has got regular strength training, but 50% of the facility is based on activity and sport. So, this I
Wow.
started way back. My concept was there in 2011-12. But again, we were not funded. We didn't have money. So when I sold my first franchise in 2018, that's how I designed the gym. And that's and that's the funda that we live by. Yes, there is strength training. All of that is there. You
सब
can
कुछ है,
come,
हाँ.
sab kuch hai. You can come like a regular gym also and work out there. But the focus is on combat sports.
Lovely.
Super.
Pusha, Somesh, please open one in Malad na yaar. Please खोल देना.
Yes.
सबसे बेचैनी हम लोग को खोलने की. Please खोल दे. टाउन में तो तेरे है ना जिम. You already have in town.
No, so we had in South Mumbai, but then we shut all of that because those were in partnership. Once my agreement got
Okay.
done, yeah,
Okay.
we shut that. Primarily because my agreement didn't allow me to franchise this brand by myself. So that's why we didn't renew that.
Okay. Chalo, but hopefully you will, and open one in Malad soon.
Yeah, you open one
Absolutely,
in
yes.
Malad and I get to kick Mimo's butt again.
Yeah. Whatever makes you sleep good at night, buddy. Yeah. ठीक है. कामरा अभी तू जा यार, बस बहुत हो गया. तेरे साथ आके ना ये बहुत उड़ने लगा है. No, but on a serious note, my other two Desi Amigos, we are going to be wrapping up this episode now. But of course, one thing which we need to hear from my co-host is that what did you feel of having Somesh as a guest on the show? Give us your viewpoints on what he said, what he discussed, and what would you like to tell the viewers, like upon
So-
Somesh and his message?
So he's always a pleasure to be around. I've met him very scarcely. I think only twice we've met, but then he's left an impression on me, and I really like the dude a lot. And he's right here, and I'm going to say it to his face. He's an amazing person. Okay?
Thank
That's
you
what-
so much. Thank you so
Whatever
much.
little I've met, he's an amazing person. And I think on one of those boys' nights when he was talking about trying to get UFC into the mainstream and trying to make India more advanced in the sport and stuff,
Correct.
it really hits home, because see, I don't like cricket that much. ठीक है, देखता हूँ मैं World Cups and all, IPL, but I don't like it that much. ठीक है, I prefer watching football. I prefer other sports sometimes, like tennis and all. ठीक है, and those don't have that big of a, what do you say,
Wavelength. Yeah.
wavelength in India.
Correct.
And when he starts talking about things like, I want this sport to be bigger in India, I know it resonates with me. Like, I also want other sports other than cricket to, take off in this place, because then, you get to compete. You get to watch a lot more. Yahan pe, like, my grandmother watches cricket the whole day. And it's so scary to me कि वही चल रहा है.
एक ही
There's
चीज
nothing
बैठ
else
गया.
only.
Yeah. Good.
Whole day, test match चलते रहता है इधर.
समझ
Today there's a test match. Tomorrow ODI, again test match. कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता schedule क्या है.
Crazy. No, you want the change to come, so
ठीक
that's a
है?
good
Yeah,
thing.
so when he said that, it really resonated. I'm like, हाँ. And that's when you said कि Somesh is coming. I was like, we need to speak out this. Like, थोड़ा भी awareness बढ़ा ना उसका from whoever is watching. अरे, that
अगर
would be great.
एक भी अगर motivated हो गया, and if he or she becomes the next fighter from India to go, it will make a big difference for us.
Exactly.
Completely.
Absolutely. In fact, what Mr. Balsara said is so correct, because see, from the viewer's perspective, आपको लगता है कि what, yeah, there'll be one more sport, we can watch it. But imagine the backward integration. There's more employment, there's more coaches, there's more facilities. There'll be
Exactly.
more factories that actually make gloves, head guards. Those So the entire chain will start functioning. It's not just about what we see, but
Correct.
apart from the viewers, the entire backward integration of the chain from imagine the amount of coaches that will get employment. Imagine the
That's
amount of
amazing.
people that have a chance that, you know what, मुझे cricket नहीं खेलना है, but I'm a good boxer. Maybe this can be a career.
Exactly.
You know,
Very true.
बहुत सारी
Very
चीजें
true.
हो सकती है, बहुत सारी चीजें हो सकती है.
Touch wood. Touch wood. And Bhushan, what about you?
See, I'll be very honest here. If I have to put up the list of people that really inspire me, I think the two people on this podcast right here, one is Somesh and obviously Mimo. Mimo, I have to keep just to make sure he's
Thank you
okay.
so
ठीक है
much.
ठीक है छोड़ना यार.
So,
सोमेश
you
की
know,
बात कर छोड़.
So,
I would have actually joined my hands, but the thing is that मैं आपसे like pranam करता, but one of my hands is holding my phone. So
but every time, and I tell you this, and this just doesn't happen with me. Okay. Every time there is this one person, Somesh, that I meet, and even if I'm chatting for like 10 minutes, I have something to take back. I'm like, how amazing is that? And Somesh, I have
thank
to
you
tell
so
you
much.
this, okay?
That's a
That
huge
that
compliment.
day
Thank you so much.
the day I saw your photograph with Dana White, I jumped. Okay, on your social. I like Somesh, and I'm telling my wife, it's Somesh, and Somesh Dana White के साथ. Mommy is like, कौन Somesh? I mean, अच्छा, हाँ, आप लोग नहीं जानते, but Somesh है, Somesh, okay. So
One day he's gonna go
that
global. One day he's gonna go global.
that was
That's what.
that was like the level of excitement. यार मेरा भाई है, this is Somesh, this is
One
Somesh.
one day we all are going to go.
Of course, of course.
100% we will.
That's
All of us.
The three
Yeah,
global
So
amigos.
Of course,
So
of course.
at the heart of it, I think, people who don't know Somesh personally, he is like one of the most approachable guys I've ever met in my life. And trust me, when I met him after years, I have seen people, who've made it in life and their head is in some other place. But not for 1 second, I felt that when I met Somesh after years, I was like, this is the most amazing thing that I've seen, and this barely happens to anybody. But that is a kind of the man and the
Yeah,
character that
thank you so much.
Somesh is.
Thank you so much. Like, in fact, I would just like to segue by saying that, my mom and my dad used to say this, that तुम जितना भी बड़ा इंसान बनो. See, we originally were refugees. Sindhis were refugees. In fact, my father was born on the other side when, when even that part was India. He was born, I think, in Karachi or Lahore. But when we came here, that aspect of being grounded was drilled into me. कि तू जितना भी तू कुछ भी कर जिंदगी में, always have your feet on the ground. And
Wonderful.
this part of Bhushan na, I'm going to reel over and over again because many people say ना कि अरे ये तो बहुत सड़ियल है, ये बात ही नहीं करता है. He thinks he's in a different stratosphere altogether. But honestly,
Correct,
that's not
correct.
the case. That's not the case. I mean, if you catch me in a bad moment when I'm rehearsing or thinking something, then like I apologize. But
You can like punch them in the face and all,
nah. Actually, that's a very good point because let me tell most of the viewers or all the viewers whoever listening, MMA fighters, boxers, all that, they are actually the most calm. They're the calmest lot out of the entire stratosphere of sports athletes. तो क्योंकि
Exactly.
वो डे एंड डे आउट मारा मारी के बीच में ही रहते हैं ना, तो जब वो बाहर रहते हैं ना जिम से या घर से, they just want to chill, relax, watch the sunset, एक कॉफी पियो, मस्त में बैठो, अगर if anybody says also anything ना, slowly बस सॉरी बोल के वहां से निकल जाओ.
सिर्फ सॉरी बोलो
हाँ,
निकल जाओ. सही
सॉरी बोल के
Very
निकल
true.
जाओ. There is no point in doing झगड़ा वगड़ा, all of that anywhere. See, anyways, when you're getting paid to do it in the octagon, then why do it outside for free?
Yeah, why to do it for free?
Correct.
Exactly. Yeah. If you're good at something, don't do it for free, as the Joker said. Yeah.
Exactly.
So, yeah. No, but yes, I think, Nushazar and Bhushan have also said, and I'm also going to wrap it up in a very simple way. Somesh, forget about the lineage we have, forget about the relationship we have, forget about the friendship. When it comes down to the basic human essence of a human being, I think you are a hero for all of us. So I want to say that to you. Thank you.
Thank
for
you
being,
so much. Thank you. That's a
I
very
really
big
say that.
statement.
No,
That's
of
a
course,
very
of
big
course.
statement.
And see, like all heroes don't wear capes, So you
Correct.
are one
Yes.
of those, and you stay in the sidelines. You're one of those who takes out the talent, who's promoting something, who's giving people opportunity. Trust me, I can say this by my own history. I think Bhushan and Nushazar also will relate. If someone can give somebody an opportunity just to prove themselves, forget about winning or losing, just to even have कि यार मैंने तुझे को एक मौका दिया. I think that is bigger than any reward in the world. You know, bigger than
Absolute,
even winning a
complete.
cup. कि यार इसने
Absolutely.
मुझे मौका दिया. He saw me. He believed कि मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ.
Absolutely.
That gift, na buddy, not everybody has. So thank you for
Absolutely.
that.
You know that,
Thank you.
over the last so many years now, as a trainer first, then as a coach, and now as a business owner, that trait has stayed throughout in my entire life. In fact, let me tell you, now my organization has become a little bigger. It's a very small organization. But the people who are working with me now, they still tell me कि अरे यार तू एक नंबर का पीप है, तू एक नंबर का पीप है. क्योंकि when I recognize somebody's talent and I do it sometimes for even free, most of the people around me say that this person is taking advantage of you. They will use you and go. And I'm saying there's no use you and go. Today, if
Correct.
I can give something to someone,
Hmm.
I'm doing my bit. Whether they do their bit, that is up to their karma. That's not
Correct.
up to my karma.
Complete.
And I relay back to all my college teachers or my school teachers. They also gave us something with expecting nothing in return. So it's not, everything doesn't have to be transactional, which I think most people don't understand or realize.
Understand.
If you're good at something, just do it and just leave it up to the universe that if those people come back and appreciate you, great. If they don't, then you've done your bit. So that's
Correct,
my
correct.
funda in life.
Touch wood. No, it was very great to have Somesh Kamra as a guest. We hope to see him return on the Three Desi Amigos podcast.
Absolutely.
Yeah. But yeah, like Bhushan though will be very thrilled. वो तो खुशी के मारे yes,
Super,
Kamra
super
वापस
thrilled.
आ रहा है. Kamra वापस आ रहा है. No, but
I'm
it was an
always
absolute
available.
pleasure.
I
Of course,
loved
of
being
course.
with all you guys, but I want to do this in person because in person, I love you guys. I love the energy. It just comes through. So,
Of
I
course.
know 3 of us are sitting like in 3-4 different locations, but let's do this in person once.
Hopefully, it's going to happen soon. Hopefully, we're going to
Yeah.
go as big as you, and we're going to have a studio, and we're going to do
Studio,
this.
yes.
So
you
yes,
guys
that'll
are
happen.
you guys are already as big, maybe even bigger.
Nahin. Thank you, buddy. No, but
That's
thank
kind
you
words.
for coming on the show. And guys, this
Love you
was a
guys. Love you
special.
guys.
Love you, buddy.
We love
This-
you so much.
This was a special episode on mixed martial arts with our very dear friend and brother Somesh Kamra. We will put his link, Instagram link in the description so that you can find him and DM him for anything regarding MMA. So that will be
And
done.
the superhuman gym link as well, right?
Yes, we'll
Yes,
put all
please.
the
Yes,
links in the
please.
description so you can have a look at the gym as well. So, yes, this is us wrapping up this episode. Of course, I don't want to, but yes, we have to. Definitely, there'll be a part 2 in the future.
One I got over
So-
really fast. Yeah, I
Yeah,
thought
you don't realize on this podcast, पता नहीं
Yeah.
चलता
ये
है.
ऐसे ही
आधा
होता है.
घंटा बोल के
आधा घंटा
ऐसे
बोल के
होता है.
यही
घंटा हो
होता
गया.
है. यही होता है.
Good
No, but
people,
thank
good
you.
company, and good conversation.
Of
Yes.
course, of course. Thank you. So,
And
guys,
a great
please like and comment, subscribe, and please leave in the comment section how do you like this episode. As always, we will be coming back with more amazing guests. So, until then, thank you, everyone. Thank you. See you.
See you guys. Bye bye. So even a teacher noticed he's been absent only for a few days. So like क्या हुआ? None of us knew. ठीक है? And then from where he's sitting, now we heard someone say, "Ma'am, he broke his back trying to suck his balls."
What?
Oh, crap.